TikTok live without showing face. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can go live on TikTok without showing your face. So make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to go live on TikTok and then not show your face, you can do that. Showing your face is an option. You can hide it using a filter. You can simply not show your face and do whatever else you prefer. So you can simply open up the TikTok application, but problem is that in order to go live on TikTok, you need to have over 1,000 followers. In my case, I have not reached the 1,000 followers threshold. If you have, then when you come to the plus button over here, you'll find all these options over here, right? Where you can see camera and you can see templates, but you can simply choose to find the go live option. And when you tap on go live option, you don't have to go ahead and then show your face. You can simply hide it and then still go live on TikTok. This way you should be able to go live on TikTok without showing face. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.